Before we learn today's grammar, verb can. Let's learn verb reduplication pattern first. When we reduplicate an action verb, we give the listener a concept of reduced quantity, or the action is easy to accomplish. And if the speaker wants the listener to do something, to request, command the listener to do some action, the speaker uses verb reduplication pattern to show a softened way to let the listener to be more comfortable. And this pattern, verbal reduplication pattern in Chinese culture, it is a polite way to request or command the listener to do something. In this pattern, this pertain to verb can omit. Let's see this example. 他们学校很漂亮，我想去看看。看看，看一看。In this context, it means I want to do this action in a relaxing way, in a way of reduced quantity, not in a formal way, just for fun, in a relaxing way to do the action. In a relaxing way or an easy way. If we add can after the pattern of verb reduplication, it means the speaker wants the listener to try to do some action and to see what kind of feeling the listener to get after doing the action. For example, 这家餐厅的牛肉面很好吃，你吃吃看。In this context, the listener is me, and the speaker is 我。I hope you to try to eat this restaurant's 牛肉面 because I think you never have eaten this 牛肉面 of this restaurant. So I hope you to try to eat. So this pattern, verb can, usually used in the type of context that the speaker know the listener haven't done the action before, and the speaker wants the listener to have the first trial and get some feeling from the experience. And in this pattern, verb can. Pay attention. The verb must be a monosyllable action verb. Verb can. The verb must be monosyllable action verb. And express the concept of trial and getting some experience from the trial. This example, 我穿穿看，我穿穿看，穿 put on clothes. When 我 I speak the sentence, I express the concept. I never have worn these clothes before, and now I want to do my first trial. For example, the situation of the context perhaps happened in a clothes shop, and I find a cloth that I like very much, but I don't know whether after I put on it look good or not. So I say, 我穿穿看, and I can know whether I look beautiful or not after wearing this clothes. So I have a try and get some experience after I put on the clothes. 我不知道要买哪种甜点。我不知道要买哪种甜点。你可以先吃吃看。你可以先吃吃看。In this context, 我不知道要买哪种甜点。I don't know. Why I don't know? Because I have never eaten the 甜点 here in this restaurant, in this shop. So B say, 你可以先吃吃看。You can eat the samples first. Try to do the action of eating the samples. Try and get the taste after eating. And then you can know which one you would like to buy. Do the first try to get some experience from the trial. 试试看。听说这里的咖啡很好喝。听说这里的咖啡很好喝。好，我喝喝看。好，我喝喝看。When B say 喝喝看 means B never have drunk the coffee sold in this shop. So he wanted to try for the first time. 喝喝看。我的钱包在你那里吗？我的钱包在你那里吗？不在我这里。你去客厅找找看。不在我这里。你去客厅找找看。B wants A go to 客厅 to seek is 钱包。B. Request command A to do this action. And B. Use VV can this pattern to speak in a softened way, in a polite way, to ask A do this action. 你去客厅找找看。Here, 吃吃看，喝喝看 try. 找找看 in this context. Request the listener try to do the action in a softened way. See you. Bye.